it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to fall in our YouTube channel. Oh my God, it's gonna be so fun today. We are setting the porch for fall. I know, not the table, but the porch, because we all want some autumnal fall love, right? I gotta thank Greeleaf Wholesale for always making this look so good. This is awesome. So check it out. So first, we're gonna start with this beautiful foraged wreath. I'm gonna take it off this beautiful hook. And this was a wreath we made a couple days ago, so check out our video in the link below. This is so easy, you guys. It'll make you look so good. So this has all sorts of little things that I found around, and it's so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. And it looks so good on this pale blue door. So this house is adorable, right? And so we decided to do all these different groupings. So when you want to start decorating for fall in your house, we chose all sorts of things with different heights and different textures. We started with the hay bale, right? And we got the smaller one because it's a little bit more practical at the end of the season, because where do you put all that hay? So we got this beautiful hay bale, and then we went to the local market here and bought these beautiful gourds and pumpkins, and this one is my fave. It's called Cinderella. Let's look close. It looks like it's porcelain. It's like magical and beautiful. So this puppy, she's just gonna live right there. There's this other variety right here, if you guys haven't heard of it. It's called Blue Doll. I don't even know what color that is. It's like turquoise gray, muted, I don't know, it's so beautiful. I love the stem. So you can see that we just did little groupings. We have some gourds, we have a regular carving pumpkin on a wood cookie, which is a log round. And then for this house, it has this kind of more of a farm light. And we ended up going with kind of these carriage lanterns. And they're so beautiful. They're from Accent Decor. And we put some battery-powered candles in there because it's just a little bit safer, especially we're kind of in the fire zone, and also we don't want a candle on a hay bale in front of our house. Not so good, right? So you can see, I'll get out of the way, these candle groupings look so cool. Remember, do one high, one low. We had gourds. These fairy lights are my friends. They're like these little bubble lights, and you guys all seen the little ones on the copper line, but these are kind of like cafe lights, but they have a little bit more of an exuberant quality, and they're still magical, they're still beautiful. So we're gonna go down to this little grouping. This house has kind of this short, narrow porch, so we ended up putting like a beautiful kale plant. We had these magnolia branches that are all dried. We just stuck them in there. Just anything you can find. We have these cool nests that we use a lot, but they're just like a little nest of wire we painted gold. You can like put stuff in there like a little white pumpkin. So just do your magic. There's no rules, and make it look beautiful. Oh, I got one more pumpkin to show you. This pumpkin, I love it so much. Oh my God. So check it out. It's like this bicolor green variegated and then orange on the other side. Do you love it so much? So if you do, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment, like, and share, and all the regular stuff. And I think that's it. I love you guys. Bye.